how to set game booster quick action button to screenshot record on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. Let's start the video. First of all, go to app library. Here click on settings app. Now in settings, scroll down and click on advanced features. After click on advanced features, scroll down and click on a game booster settings. After click on game booster settings, and you will see quick action button is here. If you want to set quick action button to screenshot, so click on screenshot. If you want to set quick action button record, so click on record. If you want to set quick action button none, so click on none. So after select screenshot record none, after select go back to home screen, refresh phone. So that's how you can set game booster quick action button to screenshot record on none on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. If you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.